Visit the Solid Rock Realty website. From the homepage, click on the Rentals and Residents tab. Then, select the Resident Portal button. Sign in using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page. From here, click Create a Request. You'll see two options: Maintenance Request, for issues like a leaky faucet, cracked windows, or other repair needs, or General Inquiry, for questions about your account, parking policies, or other non-repair matters. If you're submitting a maintenance request, choose the category that best fits the issue. Then, fill in the subject line and description box with details about the problem. Attach photos to help our team better understand how to address the issue. Next, under Scheduling, choose how our team can enter the property. Let us know if you have pets and include any entry notes we should be aware of. Once everything is filled out, click Submit Request. Our team will be notified immediately and begin working on your request.